Today we're going to make Daddy's birthday cake.
Yay! And it's a big surprise for him. I like it. So let's get started. What should we add?
So here are the ingredients. 3 large eggs, half cup vegetable oil, 1 cup sugar, 2 cups all-purpose flour, 1 tablespoon baking powder, pinch of salt, milk 1 cup, 1 tablespoon vanilla essence.
First, we'll start with sifting flour. Now, add 1 cup of sugar.
Now add 1 tablespoon baking soda.
Add some vanilla essence.
Pinch of salt.
Yay, we did it for Daddy.
Now mix all the dry ingredients.
Crack the eggs.
Add 1 cup milk and half cup vegetable oil. And now mix all together. Glaze the baking pan with butter.
But we're almost done to do it. We are done almost.
The texture should be like this.
Alright, I need to make some light. Alright, add some more lime.
Pour the batter in the baking pan.
Then to add inside the ball.
Preheat the oven on 180 degrees. Wait for the cake for 45 minutes. After 45 minutes, it's done.
Ta-da!
Rest the cake for 5 to 8 minutes.
My dad loves fruit cake.
So we thought to decorate with fruits and cream.
Come on, let's do it.
We are using the whipped cream.
Ta-da! Our surprise is finally ready.
We're not sure how we made it, so first bite goes to Dad. Guys, make sure you like and subscribe our channel.
Bye!